My friend Evan Carmichael suggests against multiple streams of income. He says master one, because you don't want to get spread too thin too soon. However, where I disagree is that a YouTube strategy, the multiple streams all are woven together. So for example, if you look at the model of Think Media, which I just made this thing up as I go, like I don't even know what I'm doing. I started going to CES, it's a local tech show years ago. And I was like, let me get my eyes on the latest cameras. And then I was like, I could create content here. So then I would go down by myself with a monopod and a camera, my own little Zoom H1. I'd shoot videos. I would shoot them all day, edit all night. But what I learned was when I released these new tech videos, I got a free ticket because I'd work through some vendor, just drove down here in Vegas, parked in self-parking for $10, walked my little self inside with my gear. But as I would cover this new tech, I could monetize it in 4 ways. I could turn on the YouTube ads. I could link to it as an affiliate, and I could then talk to the brand and set up a brand deal for the future. And then they might send you the stuff for free. That's like multiple streams. If you're getting gear for your business for free and companies pay you and I'm making affiliate money and you're doing YouTube ads, those are like the 4 that a YouTuber can really tap into. And they're all off the same video, the same relationship. And then subscribers could come and you could go merch and you could go Patreon or your own course and it could evolve from there. But that's just the initial income streams.